चलिए, so we were into that pivot table and today we are going to continue in that. So in the last session में हमने कहाँ तक किया था? We have done till this one, minimum and maximum score. Score पे किया था कि this was the score, test score. Now group wise, highest score and lowest score. So this was the topic that we have done. वो हमने last session में किया था. Now let us move into this one. In out report. Basically this is 1 day data, एक दिन का data है for different employees where this is the in time, this is the out time, and there are multiple records for each employee. Let us Deepak Sharma, इसको ले लेते हैं. Deepak Sharma first in is 9:15, 10 बजे वो निकल गए, then the in time is 10:15, then 1:25 में lunch break पे निकल गए, and finally he logged out of his system और वो चले गए 5:53 PM में. Now Deepak Sharma first in is 9:15, last out is 5:53. और यही चीज मुझे क्या करना है? I just wanted to track for each employee and employee wise first in last out चाहिए था, first in last out. And this is very special question for me because this was the first interview question जो मुझे पूछा गया था. ये अब आप लोग करो, कैसे करोगे वो आप मुझे बताओ कि this is first in last out. So कैसे निकालना है first in last out?
सर मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम के थ्रू निकाल सकते हैं.
Yes. So insert pivot table, this one. Now name is in the row. In time जितने भी हैं, दीपक शर्मा के जितने भी in time है, I just wanted to calculate the minimum जो सबसे पहला है. So that is the first in, which is the in time का minimum और out time का maximum चाहिए. So let us say count of in time. So I have to go with this one, number format, time. Let's say this one. This is the count हो गया, but count मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे यहाँ पर चाहिए, sorry, minimum. So in time का minimum 9:15. Right click, so summarize value by max, and let us change the number format. This one, which is the time. This one. So this was the simple question that was asked in WNS. This is clear. The scenario is clear. Solution is clear. Everybody. Now, अब ये क्वेश्चन अगर मैं पूछूंगा तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछूंगा. अब मैं इसके बाद का क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. अगर मैं इंटरव्यू लूंगा तो दिस इज वेरी इजी. अब मुझे क्या करना है? जस्ट वांटेड टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग आवर्स फॉर एवरी एम्प्लॉय. कितने घंटे वो ऑफिस में काम किया था, कैसे निकलेगा? हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट दिस टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग आवर्स? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट वर्किंग आवर्स फॉर ईच एम्प्लॉय? Now, let us see if I'm going to calculate this minus this, so this will not work because this is the first in last out. तो ये नहीं बताएगा. Actually में क्या है? This is the total working hours. Let us see. Let us take an example कि this is out time minus in time करेंगे in the source data. Now this is showing the total working hours and now let us see for Deepak Sharma. Deepak Sharma को अगर मैं देखूंगा, so the total working hours is 7 hours 46 minutes. 7 hours 46 minutes is the total number of working hours. Now we have to calculate this one. Means out time minus in time from the source data. But I will not add anything to source data. अब एक नया चीज देखते हैं कि how to add something that is not there in the source data और उसको add करना in the pivot table. मतलब any calculation that I wanted to add in the pivot table that is not there into the source data. Source data में वो column नहीं है. Now how can we do this? अब देखिए क्या करना है. I'll go with this analyze tab. It's showing fields, items and sets. यहाँ पर जाऊंगा. Now this is showing calculated field. Calculated field का मतलब होता है कि एक column I need to add based upon the calculations from the source data. Let us see. Now this is showing name, so मैं कर देता हूँ let's say office hours या floor hours कर देते हैं या working hours let's say. Now in this one I'll remove everything equals to out time, double click किया मैंने and I have to press minus sign and then in time double click. So this is showing out time minus in time. Click OK. Now I am getting sum of working hours. देखा आपने? This is showing 7 hours 46 minutes जो हमने देखा था. Let us customize the number format और ये कर देता हूँ like this. So this is 7 hours 46 minutes for this दीपक शर्मा and this is the part of a pivot table. अब ये pivot table बन गया. यहाँ पर देख रहे हो working hours per column is there. Clear? This is clear. Now if I wanted to change, now what I'll do, calculated field में जाऊंगा. In this one, this is showing working hours. I can delete, I can change and I can modify. ये कर सकते. Clear? This is clear everybody. ये clear है? Okay. Now let us move forward. एक बार आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now this is the file. This is the sheet where we have order ID, products and cost price and selling price. And the product is repeated. अगर आप देखोगे तो each and every product is repeated. What I wanted to do, I wanted to calculate the product wise profit. Product wise profit निकालना है मुझे. I wanted to calculate the product wise profit. बताइए. How can we do this? Product wise profit. Same rule, same चलेगा जैसे हमने किया था वहां. Insert pivot table, click OK. Now what I'll do, I'll drag this product in the rows and cost price and selling price मैं यहाँ पर नहीं लाऊंगा because I just wanted the profit only. So what I'll do, I'll just go to this field items and sets, calculated field and profit. And the formula is equals to selling price minus cost price. Done. So this is showing product wise profit. Profit आ गया ना? So this is showing profit. So let us close this file. Now let us move forward. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं to second stage, next stage of this pivot table, which is this one. Now this is my data. I wanted to split this data or separate this data to multiple sheets based upon this designations. So designation के basis पे मैं multiple sheets बनाना चाहता हूँ. I wanted to create multiple sheets based upon this designation. मतलब जितने भी designations है उसका अलग-अलग sheets बनना चाहिए. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to keep all those data, relevant data, जैसे employee code, name, division, joining date, birthday into that respective sheet. जैसे example लेते हैं, vice president में जितने भी लोग हैं, तो वो vice president का एक sheet बनना चाहिए और उसमें सारे vice president का data आना चाहिए. Means I wanted to split this data based upon this designation. बताइए कैसे करेंगे? How can we do this? अभी कैसे कर सकते हैं? Let us see. एक बार देखते हैं. So what I will do, this is very important. देखिएगा. Insert pivot table. So I'll create a pivot table. Now the column for which I wanted to create a multiple sheets, जिस भी column के basis पे करना है, I need to keep that column into filter. वो filter में रखना है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. वो column आपके filter में होना चाहिए. This is very important. Now rest all the columns you can arrange. तो आप उस बाकी data को जैसे रखेंगे वैसे रखेगा. मतलब ये pivot table बनाना है. बस the important thing is that I have to keep this designation into this filter. Now I can go with employee code in the rows, name into the rows, division into the rows, joining date and birthday. तो ये सारे rows पे आ जाएगा. Now I wanted to change the format. इसको मुझे proper format लाना है. बताइए कहाँ से जाएंगे? How can we change the format? I have covered in the last session. Design, report layout, show in tabular form. हो गया ना? Now we can do not show subtotal. Grand total I don't want because grand total की requirement नहीं है, तो off. बस this one. Now what we can do, we can change the format. Let's say ये plus minus भी अगर नहीं चाहिए, means the purpose is that you have to design this sheet in such a way कि वो सारे sheets में वैसे ही आए, तो इस sheet को जैसे बनाएंगे वो बाकी sheets पे वैसे आए. Now I can change the format also. Design tab में जाएंगे, let us column headers को हटा देता हूँ, row headers. So normal हो गया. Now we can use any of the format, जो भी format चाहिए we can use this. Let's skip this one. इसको रखना. Now final I have created this one. This is clear everybody, यहाँ तक clear है? I have created a basic pivot table. चलिए अब इसके बाद ध्यान दीजिएगा, only 5 seconds में हो जाएगा बाकी काम. So let us see what I'll do. I'll go with this analyze tab. In the left most corner, left में क्या आएगा? I'm getting this one. Options का drop down दिखेगा, this one. Options drop down. Now I'll be getting show report filter pages. If you find this as a grayed out, अगर ये disable है, disable होने का मतलब है I have not kept anything into this filter, तो filter में रखना पड़ेगा. So I'll go with this one, show report filter pages. This is showing that one column is placed in this filter. तो बस select करेंगे and click OK. Now let's see the magic. आप देखिएगा नीचे देखिएगा, done. Each and every sheet is created. आप देख रहे हो कितने sheets create हो गया है. This one. All the sheets are created. सारे sheets create हो गया automatically. Magic. Vice president. So these are the vice president. Now the main sheet is in this one. This is my main sheet. If anything goes on changes, let's say vice president में अभी कितने लोग हैं? The vice president we are having this 1 2 3 4 5. 5 people are there in vice president. मैं किसी एक और vice president बना देता हूँ. Now what we have to do, just go to data, refresh all. So it will refresh the entire sheet, entire file. Now let us go with this vice president. देखा आपने, ये भी vice president में आ गए. So this is how we can split the data into multiple sheets. Clear everybody? Any? Okay, sure. So I'll move forward और अब जाते हैं next topic, which is the report consolidation. Now in this one, in the last one, what we have done, we have splitted the data. Now in this, what we will do, we will consolidate the data. Means the data is in multiple sheets. I have to consolidate those data. So let us see. एक बार देखते हैं. Now these are multiple sheets, right? We have April to till March, one financial year data. Now the data is like this, that first in the first, these are the list of customers, means Q name means, let us say these are the list of customers, right? All the customers we are having. And this is the total calls they have made. उनके calls हैं कि customer care में कितने बार उन लोगों ने calls आया था. Total tickets means total complaints, queries, anything. Now we have multiple sheets like this, and it could be possibilities that one customer name is there into this April and that is missing in this July. ये भी हो सकता है. Means any customer name can appear in any of these sheets, and these are the counts. Now what I have to do, I have to create one consolidated sheet where I wanted to get the total counts from every sheets. यहाँ पर जितने भी sheets है, हर एक sheet का total count आना चाहिए customer wise. Means ATS there is 20. Here ATS is 27. So it should show the total. Might be in this third sheet, ATS is not into the first one. It might be into the fifth one. So position might change, and it might happen that the data that is there into the first sheet that might be missing into the third sheet. Fourth sheet में हो सकता है. So that could be possibility. Scenario is clear. What is the data? What is the type of data? Scenario is clear. Result जो मुझे चाहिए वो चाहिए कि I wanted to have क्यू वाइज और कस्टमर वाइज टोटल टिकट्स फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी शीट, सारे सीट्स को उठा के टोटल चाहिए. Now let us see how to do this using some automated method. Now what is the shortcut for pivot table? कोई बता सकते हैं shortcut for pivot table? The shortcut for pivot table is Alt DP. So this is one new window which is not there into the menu. Menu में कहीं पर नहीं दिखेगा. Insert में जाएंगे, pivot table में ये दिखेगा. But this is Alt DP is only in the shortcut. Shortcut में ही है. It's not there into any of these menus. Right. Alt DP is the hidden option where I am getting this multiple consolidation ranges. So I'll select this one. Next, it's asking create a page field for me, or I will create a page field. I'll just select this one. I'll create a page field. Next, this is the most important window. So what I can do, I'll just select each and every sheet. मैं एक एक sheet में जाऊंगा, Control A करके I'll just select the entire data, click on add. I'll repeat the process for each and every sheet. This is one-time activity. Now if the range is same for each and every sheet, so it's automatically देख रहे हो ये पूरा select हो जा रहा है. पूरा मतलब जो मैंने जून में select किया था, जून वाला डेटा जुलाई में भी वैसे ही select होगा था position. But the position in my case keeps on changing. So what I'll do, I'll just select the entire data again. But अगर हर sheet में position same है, मतलब data का row same है, row total data, so we can directly click on this add button. But I wanted to change the range from each and every sheet. And this is one-time activity. ये जैसे ही हो गया, click on finish, done. So this is the consolidated data. Entire data is coming. किसी भी सीट में कोई भी चेंजेस हो, जस्ट रिफ्रेश, क्लिक, and you can refresh using right click or refresh all. So it will refresh the entire data. Right. Thanks. This is clear? ये clear है everybody? Now question क्या है? If I wanted to add one new sheet to this one, so what I have to do? Or I wanted to delete any existing sheet from this report. So Alt DP, I have to place my cursor into the pivot table, then Alt DP. Now I can go with this back and this will show the entire data. ये पूरा data दिखाएगा. यहाँ से आप किसी को हटा भी सकते हो and you can add more data to this. ये clear है? This is clear everybody? This one जो हमने किया अभी. Now the question is that I wanted to show the data from each and every sheet, but I wanted to also show the month by month count. यहाँ पर total तो आ गया, but month by month भी चाहिए tabular format. एक matrix में I wanted the month also. Now the month is not there into this, and month is the basically the sheet name. उससे मुझे लाना है. Now what I can do? Let us see. I'll go with Alt DP again. Back. Now this is showing the same window. What I'll do, this is showing how many page fields do you want. I'll say that I want one page field. Page field का मतलब you can say that we are adding one condition. Now this is also one time activity. I'll go with every sheet और उसका नाम लिख दूंगा. Let's say I can write any name, April or APR, this one. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. watch, click on finish. So I'll getting this page 1, page 1 आएगा. What I can do, I can drag this page 1 to columns. ध्यान दीजिएगा, देखिए आ गया ना. This is showing page 1. So what we can do, we can change this one. मैं इसका ये change कर सकता हूँ. This is showing page 1. So I can rename. Field settings, page 1 की जगह मैं कर देता हूँ let's say months. Right. So this is showing. Even I can drag this to filter. So this is showing January. I wanted to show the data for January. I wanted to show the data for January till March. तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, multiple भी कर सकते हैं. Now what I can do, I can drag this one to columns. So what this is showing month by month data. अगर आपको चाहिए तो रख सकते, नहीं चाहिए तो हटा सकते. This is clear. This monthly summary is clear. So what I have done, Alt DP में गए थे, back गए थे, यहाँ पर 0 किया हुआ था, मैंने 1 किया, and I have selected each and every month और उनको यहाँ पर लिख दिया. That's it, simple. Now one page field is created. This one field 1 था, उसको हमने change किया. Now this page field is basically used in this one. यहाँ पर use किया. Now let us suppose I wanted to add quarter also. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So I'll repeat the same process. I'll create second condition for quarter. This is for month and I wanted to have for quarter. So April, let's say Q1. 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 Q2. 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 Q3. Q3. Q4. Q4. Click on next. First finish. Now this is showing page 2. I can move it to the filter. Filter में जाके आप यहाँ से भी change कर सकते हैं. Let's say quarter. So I can change here also quarter. This is showing quarter. Right. Now I can use quarter also into this one. Month like this. So this is showing April, May, June, quarter 1. July, August, September, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So this is how. मैं सिर्फ quarterly भी दिखा सकता. If I don't want this month, so I can show quarter wise also. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I can move this part to this one quarter, so I can show this one. इसकी जगह पे मैं month भी डाल सकता हूँ column में. So I wanted to show the data for Q1. So this is showing April, May, June. I wanted to show the data for Q2. This is July, August, September. और अगर मुझे सारा ही चाहिए all, so it's showing like this. Clear? So we can add multiple fields like this. So this is how we can consolidate this data. Clear hai everybody? This is clear. Now let's move into the next level of consolidation. एक बार देखते हैं यहाँ पर. Now this is my file with 3 sheets. ये क्या डेटा है? जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. एक ही टाइप का डेटा आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पर. है क्या? This is starting from serial number and this is most important column, projects. Projects का मतलब आप समझ लो department. These are the departments and departments wise जनवरी में अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज में अलग अलग टास्क में कितना आवर्स लगे. दिस इज द डेटा. मीन्स आवर वाइज आवरली ये आवर का डेटा है. सो व्हाट इज द डेटा? डिपार्टमेंट वाइज हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का टास्क वाइज हाउ मेनी आवर्स इज इन्वेस्टेड इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर टास्क, वो पूरा डेटा है जनवरी का. इसी तरह से फरवरी का, इसी तरह से मार्च का है. मुझे क्या करना है? आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कंसोलिडेट डिपार्टमेंट वाइज या प्रोजेक्ट वाइज टोटल आवर्स फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एक्टिविटीज. मतलब सेम है, एक्टिविटी वाइज डिपार्टमेंट वाइज मुझे टोटल करना है तीनों सीट से. In the previous example, we have only one column जिसके basis पे total करना था. Now these are multiple columns. I have to do the total respective. मतलब development का data development के साथ ही आए, sum हो जाए. So how we'll do this? Let's say कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. Alt DP multiple consolidation ranges. Next, I'll create the page field. Next. Now range में क्या select करूंगा? January में what I have to select? Anybody? ध्यान दीजिएगा. Serial number I don't want it to select. So from project to entire data like this. I'll select from project because it's working like a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP की तरह काम करता है. VLOOKUP with match आप समझ लो. I don't want to take serial number. नहीं तो serial number के basis पे आ जाएगा which is irrelevant. वो नहीं चाहिए. Unwanted data आ जाएगा. Similarly, I'll go with this February. I'll place my cursor here. Total ये data पूरा complete. Add. I'll go with this March. March projects. This one. Entire data. Add. So yeah, let us click on finish. So done. यही तो करना था कि project wise, different activity wise total hours. So this is showing the total number of hours for each and every total. तीनों मंथ से आ गए. सेम स्टेप सेम सब कुछ है, सिर्फ लेफ्ट में हमने रखा उसको जिसके बेसिस पे डेटा लेना. सेम प्रोसेस यहाँ पर मल्टीपल कॉलम से, सो इट इज ऑलरेडी टेकिंग केयर. अगर सिंगल कॉलम होता तो सिंगल की तरह करता. बाकी द प्रोसेस इज सेम. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव फर्दर. एक एग्जांपल और देखते हैं कंसोलिडेशन का, व्हिच इज कंसोलिडेटेड फ्रॉम मल्टीपल फाइल्स. अब देखिए, दीज आर इंडिविजुअल फाइल्स वेयर वी हैव अ जनवरी का लीव का डेटा वेयर दिस इज नेम एंड दीज आर द यूनिट्स का मतलब आप डिपार्टमेंट समझ लो. And these are the type of leaves: CL, PL, SL, LWP, ML, PTL. These are the types of leave. यहाँ पर है. Now what I have to do? I have 3 multiple files. उनका मुझे डेटा लाना है एक साथ, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज, मतलब सेगमेंट वाइज, या इस यहाँ पर जाता हूं मैं, यूनिट वाइज. I have to do the total of this one. Now what I have to do? There is one option. Let's say यहाँ पर करना है Alt DP multiple consolidation ranges. Next there is an option for browse, but it will not work. Browse क्या करेगा? Only it will select the file और फाइल का पाथ आ जाएगा, बट उसके अंदर में जो रेंज सिलेक्ट करना है it is not used. वो आपको मैनुअली करना पड़ेगा. What I recommend is to open this file for one time. एक सिंगल बार के लिए आप फाइल्स को ओपन कर लीजिए for once. So select enter. ये सारा फाइल, तीनों फाइल ओपन हो जाएगा. Now what I have to do? I have to follow the same process. Alt DP multiple consolidation range. I'll create the face field next. Now I'll select the range, और range में मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा? I'll select the first file, January, like this. Now unit से लेना है because I don't want the names, I want unit wise. So like this is the add. After doing the add ना, just remove the selection from the first. Selection को remove करना है, तभी मैं second file में जा पाऊंगा, which is February. I'll repeat the same process. ऐसे ही करेंगे. Add. Now I'll just delete this one ऊपर से. Now the third one, March. Add. जैसे add होगा, click on finish. Now I'll get the data into this one. Now you can close all those files. अब उस फाइल में कोई भी चेंजेस होगा ना, any changes made on those 3 files, I can refresh all and I'll be getting the data. Automatically ये data आ जाएगा. That one. So this is how we can consolidate from multiple files. First step is to open all those files, then do the consolidation and then close those files. So automatically आ जाएगा. This is the easiest step. Clear? Consolidation and splitting of data is clear, everybody? So we have done with almost everything in pivot table. Now in the next session we are going to do the dashboard part. Next class में हम dashboard वाला part को करेंगे. And after that, after pivot table, next to next class we are going to start the array formulas. Array formulas, very important. So we want to do that.